Can we pretend that cwoissants in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that cwoissants in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Yeah! I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go to a place much simpler than this. 'Cause after all the partying and smashing Jimmy's mama, all the glitz and the clam and the llamas, all the llama beans, trips and scary stories, all the time spent in Jimmy's laboratory. When you're staring at the phone in your lap and you're hoping but Jimmy's mom never calls you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. When your llamas unravel into sin, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So cwoissant, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I'll switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night. Can we pretend that cwoissants in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that cwoissants in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Yeah, somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get a tip at mixed bankies, back when I was rapping for Cindy Vortex. But nowadays we rapping for Jimmy's mind sex. Guessing that if we can make some wishes out of cwoissants, then maybe, oh maybe I'll go back to the day before the politics that we called 6th grade. Back when I wasn't ever trying to get laid, back before I tried to cover up my slate. This is for Retroville, what's up Judy? So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the llamas that started this shit? So here I stand and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of cwoissants. Can we pretend that cwoissants in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that cwoissants in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I could really use a wish right now. Wow. I could really use a wish right now. Like shooting cwoissants. I could really use a wish right now. A wish right now.